Yo, it's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Let's talk about it. Yo, I want to give a special thanks to everyone who supports me. I'm going for the impossible, so they say. But I gotta make my way. I mean, I gotta make my name. I'm just trying to get my name known, pretty much. I ain't really about the bucks. I just want to make you feel something. Make you feel something deep in your chest. Hustle in the field. You pussies scared to talk about it, pressure to the paper. Gangster, skater, chain Schwarzenegger. Rock, hop, urban rock, 80s screams, tight jeans. What happened to your gold ropes, low lows, and ice creams? I haven't switched a bit, you see me getting tang. Hanging with the rich, got my slang, keep the change. Got girls, it don't mean I'm a pimp. So dope, and I could probably steal 360 flip. On the strand with my band, riding bikes, no kicks. Got a HD camera, girl, show me them tits. Take advantage of the situation, rep my gift. I'm on the Mickey Knicks, all me, no assist. Guess I'm just a lost soul that finally found its way. But my mama, she don't see it the same. If you could feel like me today, you'd be so high you float away. Any minute, quick, I could be taken away. My name is Hustle. But back to stating facts, I mean back on my swag. Back to being on my MacBook in the back of your pad. Nowadays a back of Boogie can put you up on the map. And YouTube is on blast, you could buy hits at that. But me, I record on 8 tracks at one take. I could bleed homeboy, but guarantee I won't break. My name is Hustle.